Hello everyone, I am Pradeep, a passionate video maker on easy fitness trends and traveling. I explore exciting, beautiful places around us while I travel. My channel, Fit Tourer, provides you a platform to kickstart your fitness goals to get healthier and encourage avid traveling to rejuvenate your mind. Friends, your support has made me to reach many and I aim to inspire and motivate everyone in everything that I do. Thank you, one and all. Yours, Fit Tourer, always en route towards new destination and ideas. Please continue to like, share and subscribe.